अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, siyaasat.com पर आप सबका इस्तकबाल है। न्यू रोज़री हाई स्कूल सालार जंग कॉलोनी के ज़ेर एहतमाम मुनक़्क़िदा 7वें इंटरनेशनल साइंस फेयर 2015 के मौके पर न्यूज़ एडिटर सियासत जनाब आमिर अली खान ने खिताब करते हुए कहा कि इस्लाम और साइंस का गहरा ताल्लुक़ है और हमारी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में पेश आने वाले वाक़यात पर अगर गौर किया जाए तो ये साइंस के मुतालिक होते हैं। जनाब आमिर अली खान न्यूज़ एडिटर सियासत ने साइंस फेयर का मुशाहिदा किया और तफसीलात तलबा और तालिबात से हासिल किए। इस साइंस फेयर में न्यू रोज़री हाई स्कूल के बशमुल अशरफुल मदारिस, माउंट मर्सी MS क्रिएटिव स्कूल, इमेज स्कूल उर्दू मॉडल स्कूल और अरवा मॉडल स्कूल के तलबा और तालिबात ने हिस्सा लिया। आमिर अली खान न्यूज़ एडिटर सियासत के हाथों साइंस फेयर में बेहतरीन मुजाहरा करने वालों में इनामात की तकसीम अमल में आई और स्कूल टीचर्स गफूर उन्नीसा, सैयदा फातिमा उन्नीसा, दुर्गाबाई और ओमकार को मोमेंटोस पेश किए गए। न्यू रोज़री स्कूल के ज़ेर एहतमाम मुनक़्क़िदा साइंस फेयर में अतराफ़ इकनाफ़ के स्कूल्स के असातिज़ा और सैकड़ों तलबा और तालिबात ने शिरकत की, जिनमें गुरु नानक कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग के अलावा क्राउन स्कूल, विजडम स्कूल और वो दीगर स्कूल्स काबिल ज़िक्र हैं।
Which we have done by construction. This is a smart. If we want to construct a city, smart city, we have to survey the land and find out the land. Which land is this? This is the plateau land, and in the plateau land, we have to find the facilities, river, greenery, and electricity. River is that much not sufficient for us. That's why we have made it a windmill for electricity. And if in the smart city we not stray roads and greenery parks, schools, residences and everything.
Hi, myself is Taufeeq. This is a smart city. Using the source of proper and smart way. This is main of the smart city. Good afternoon, my name is Saleh.
Rats, 2 cages and diluted garlic juice, garlic paste, hair removal cream, spatula and a stick. I removed the hairs of 2 rats and put them in different cages. I used hair removal cream and spatula as and put them in different cages. I painted two rats with one with green paint to its tail and one with red. The green tail that was one which I was feeding garlic.
And this is our remote. This is our switch remote. So we have used metal so that aluminum metal. If you have used, it has many uses. If we upgrade this card, so this card in wildlife photography can be useful. People are risking their life and to take a perfect photo from perfect angle, right? So they don't need to risk their life to take a perfect photo. So they can put a small camera over here and they can go to the lion or the. You have to have that wire. You can take wireless also.
If we upgrade it, it will make a
Wireless. So, if you need, we can take
a small space and see what is the
sensor. If we should attach it like this. If the water increases, this sensor touch the water and the by this we should.
Type of cholesterol, but not as much as to reduce heart disease, but it reduces a little bit. And it is also used for treatment for BPH, diabetes, and garlic is very.
Start.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Leen Wadda Saleh Muhammad Mahwari. My topic name is Your Smile Makes Me Crazy. Hadith. النبي محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم قال في حديث موثق من قبل الألباني ابتسم في وجه أخي صدقة. And in English, smiling in your brother's face is charity, and pouring from your bucket into your brother's bucket is also charity. Observation. One day I went to school without completing my homework. When my teacher asked me, I smiled at her. I smiled at the teacher and the teacher also smiled back. After some time, instead of punishing, I got an idea that if we smile at people, people smile back at us. Question: do people smile back when I smile at them? Hypothesis: my hypothesis is that people smile back when I smile at them. Method: I choose 10 volunteers from each group irrespective of gender. 10 from age group of 7 to 8 years old, these were my classmates. 10 from age group of 13 to 15 years old, these were 10 students. 10 from age group of 20 to 40, these were my teachers. This survey was carried out for 6 days. Discussion. This blue line is for non-person. Non-person means like 10 class students, classmates and teachers. And this red is for strangers. Strangers we can find them in malls and parks. Conclusion: smiling is contagious because it makes us appear more attractive to others. This is outsider. This is my teacher, and this is a parent of his students, and this is outsider. Jazakallah.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, management of New Rosary High School, staff and students, science and religion, you cannot differentiate between science and religion because Quran itself teaches a lot of science. I can relate 2 or 3 things which are there in Quran, which says that you have Black Sea and Red Sea. You have 2 seas, and then you have the solar system. Entire solar system is there in Quran Sharif. So like that, I think, of course, Qazi Sahab has taken this initiative, and I think students who have come up with a lot of projects here. I think what we need to inculcate here is how we can utilize the science in our daily life. That is more important, because I personally think that whatever you do in science or innovation, I think you try to have some kind of project which can make people more lazy. I think because that is one thing which is now catching up. People are trying to become more lazy. People are becoming more lazy. We didn't have remote control. We used to get up and change television channels. But now you have remote control. We used to have one telephone in the house. Now we have cordless telephones. Now we have cell phones. Wherever you go, you are carrying a phone with you. So in a way, like I think the future is you innovate a thing, an instrument or a device, whatever you make. It must make a person more lazy. If you come to that kind of, if you devise a product like that, I think it has a tremendous potential. Likewise, I just saw projects here above. There was a Science City project, but I think in that Science City is from windmills. But windmills, I think, take a lot of land. But suppose, I'm just giving an example. Probably Qazi Sahab can give a better opinion on that. But just a small thing: can we convert kinetic energy into electrical energy? For instance, there are so many. Nowadays everybody is using whether 2-wheelers or 4-wheelers. Can we derive some kind of dynamo or a generator which can be attached to the tire of a vehicle, thereby charging a battery, and the battery can be used at night in our house as a direct power supply or direct power generating equipment, and we can have some electricity being coming from the battery and being used for our use. Probably some kind of thing which we have to, probably we should not think now what is happening. We should think what is happening, what can happen in the next 10 years, probably in the next 5 years or 20 years. We need to have, probably take example of a developed country or a country which is ahead of India, and then we should localize it and create it for the entire country or probably the citizens of our state on a very minute scale. Probably this is where probably we can have lot of we don't need to give examples of C.V. Raman or Isaac Newton. Probably we have to see, we have so many people participated in the project. We can have so many C.V. Raman, Isaac Newton, or for rocket science we have APJ Abul Kalam. We should have those people here from every school. That would be the benefit which we can take out from here and create next generation leaders in science. That is the thing where we should have, and probably we can compare science and what is mentioned in Quran. Probably that is the guiding light where we can take cue from it and move forward. Like for instance, I was just giving an example to somebody, like there are two things. We have major science and minor science of the days of Qiyamah. When Qiyamah is approaching, we have two things, minor science and major science. So if we have, what are those signs? Like for instance, obesity is one of the signs that Qiyamah is coming near. So probably if we can derive something where we can reduce obesity, I don't know whether it can be a medicine, it can be an equipment or anything, probably something to do with that, and use it in our daily life. Probably now we can, if we start thinking on those lines, probably we can get a lot of things. So these are the things in science I think we cannot ignore. We have to be well aware of what is there in science, and if we compare it with religion, I think that should be a better thing. And I hope New Rosary School management, staff and students will produce a lot of people in science field. They can excel and bring good names to the school. Thank you very much for inviting me here. Thank you.